Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.72. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.63% since we initially recommended purchasing Advanced Micro Devices just 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.66% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating that further declines may occur within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a possible decrease of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decrease of 33% to a decrease of 7%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential increase of around 26% over the next year, with expected returns fluctuating between 10% and nearly 97%. This would result in a price range from approximately $168 to nearly $299 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Advanced Micro Devices as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 1.02% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of September, 2024. It rose from 150.77 to 152.31. This marks a gain over 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.55%, with a low of 150.70 and a high of 153.3. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.69% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded for approximately $3.8 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $227.30, while the lowest was $93.12. Currently, the price is 32.99%, or $74.99, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is experiencing increased bullish sentiment as major industry conferences illuminate the ongoing demand for artificial intelligence technologies. Recent analyst reports suggest that both AMD and its competitor ARM Holdings are well-positioned to capitalize on this artificial intelligence supercycle, potentially boosting their market shares. On the 12th of September, AMD made headlines with a reported 115% year-over-year revenue growth in its data center segment, emphasizing its robust position in the artificial intelligence chip market. Despite some struggles in other areas, AMD has offered positive guidance for the third quarter, anticipating 16% revenue growth driven primarily by artificial intelligence and stabilization in its gaming and embedded segments. Competition in the artificial intelligence arena is heating up, particularly against NVIDIA, which has long dominated artificial intelligence workloads. Analysts indicate that AMD is closing the gap, now showing parity with NVIDIA GPUs in certain applications. This shift can create a more competitive landscape, potentially drawing interest from investors looking for growth in the technology sector. Additionally, UBS analysts have recently identified AMD as a top technology pick for the latter part of 2024, solidifying expectations for future performance. Cathie Wood's recent acquisition of AMD shares also underscores growing institutional confidence in the company. In the short term, these developments could lead to heightened investor interest and a possible spike in AMD's stock price. Long term, should AMD continue to innovate and capture market share, it stands to strengthen its position in a high-growth segment, enhancing its overall stock valuation. There are currently no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For further insights, you might want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell, and the price-to-book ratio also warrants a sell rating. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $143.96 and $143.12. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 13.37%. Further rises are expected until a new top pivot is established. However, it's important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rising prices, resulting in a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could influence short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a buy opportunity 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 46 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the following. Short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 98 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $144.48 and $132.54. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $144.48. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.54 and $132.50. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.33 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.55%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 91 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $160.25. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a viable point for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $144.48. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Sue Lisa T., who bought and sold 131,822 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of 8.042. In total, insiders acquired 2,115,506 shares and divested 1,793,187 shares in the latest 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $145.50, representing a decrease of 4.47%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, whether that means holding or accumulating while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of September, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by approximately 29.7 cents and begin trading at $152.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.